Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You must be an admin to delete a Facebook page, so confirm your role first. Once logged in, make a quick backup of posts and photos. That way you won't lose content you might need. Then open the page you want to remove and click Settings or Manage Page in the left menu. This starts the deletion workflow, so don't skip verification steps and make sure you're acting on the correct page to avoid accidental removal of a different property. Once in General Settings, scroll down until you find Remove Page, which houses the Delete option. You'll see Delete Page Name, select it, and Facebook will show a confirmation prompt. Read it because it lists what's irreversible. Also check for linked ad accounts, Instagram profiles, or Business Manager assets, since those connections can block deletion or require separate actions. If links exist, unlink them first. Otherwise, proceed. After you confirm, Facebook typically unpublishes the page and places it in a removal queue. This gives you a short grace period to cancel. Make sure to monitor email or notifications for finalization. If deletion fails, verify your admin status, remove page from Business Manager, and pause any active ad campaigns that can block removal. Once the grace period passes and you don't restore, the page is permanently deleted. So act fast if you change your mind and use the restore option within that window.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.